A digital crisis rarely comes with a warning. You might be unexpectedly excluded from a group chat, or you look down to find a sudden stream of targeted, hurtful messages. The screen may be small, but the conflict bleeds directly into the physical world. It disrupts your concentration on schoolwork, keeps your mind racing when you try to sleep, and chips away at your basic sense of safety. When this happens, a specific internal logic often takes over. You might decide to ignore it to avoid conflict, worry that others will judge you, or fear becoming a burden to your friends and family. This chart maps the silence trap. When you choose silence, incoming threats don't stop, they multiply. Ignoring harassment makes the problem grow. As threats compound, the silence node collapses. Remaining quiet creates a vacuum of opposition, signaling there are no consequences, emboldening the aggressor. Staying silent is a passive mechanism that isolates you and allows the harm to continue unchecked, rather than serving as a protective shield. Asking for help marks the moment you stop being a target and start being a strategist. It is a deliberate, responsible move to reclaim control. The first step in taking control is selecting a trusted adult. This can be a parent, a teacher, a guidance counselor, or a school administrator. To communicate effectively, use this framework. Explain the event, the emotional impact, and your physical safety. To reinforce the event, preserve systematic evidence like screenshots, timestamps, and user IDs. But remember, retaliating or managing this alone shatters the resolution and makes the situation volatile. By taking these methodical steps, you transfer the heavy burden of resolving the crisis from your own shoulders to an equipped, supportive network. Now, consider the other side of the screen. You might be the friend someone confides in when they are targeted. Your immediate requirement is to provide calm, non-judgmental listening. This is the time to offer support without assigning blame or critiquing your friend's past actions. This diagram outlines the bystander's boundary. One side is supportive listening, the other is dangerous secrecy. Never promise to keep a harmful situation a secret. Instead, use that boundary as a bridge to adult support, saying, "Let's speak to a trusted adult together." Notice what you are not doing here. You are not expected to track down the cyberbullies, retaliate, or solve the crisis yourself. An ally's impact stems from their ability to serve as a secure bridge, connecting a targeted peer to the safety of adult-led intervention. Once an adult is involved, the dynamic shifts. The rapid escalation of the online harm hits a wall, stopping the problem before it can spiral out of control. Neutralizing that digital threat allows for genuine restoration. Sleep patterns return to normal, focus comes back, and a sense of security is rebuilt. Reaching out for help actively breaks the cycle of digital harassment. It is a conscious, active choice to prioritize your own safety. It is a decision to embrace community over isolation. The ultimate display of strength in the digital age is refusing to face its darkest corners alone. Speak up and reach out.